Hello friends, this is Manpreet. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Career Talks with Manpreet. So today we invite Sangeeta, and here is she, and her mother is also present there. So they are here to share their experience, what they expect and what they get from the Career Talks services. She is enrolled with us few months before for the process of MBBS. She is planning for MBBS. Let get her introduce herself on.
Hello, I am Sangeeta Devnath. I have completed my 12th in 2019. I am 19 years old, and after completion of my 12th, I decided that I will go to Germany to pursue my MBBS degree. And then, somehow I got to know about career talks, and then I started my process with Manpreet ma'am.
Thank you. So, ma'am, how you feel like you never visit our office before? You never, even you never talk with me on the phone. Also, you already Sangeeta already always talk with me. So, how you feel and how you trust on us? Then, and are you comfortable with the services we all give you?
নমস্কার, আমি সঙ্গীতার মা বলছি। তা আমি কোনোদিন ম্যামের সাথেও কথা বলিনি। আমার মেয়ে ফোনের মানে ম্যামের সাথে সব কথাবার্তা হয়েছে, তখন আমি আমার মেয়ের কাছ থেকে শুনেছি, কিছু ফোনেও কিছু কথা শুনেছি। আমি ভালো হিন্দি বলতে পারি না, তবু হিন্দিটা বুঝি। ওই হিসেবে আমি যেটুকু শুনেছি তাতে আমার অনেকটাই বিশ্বাস হয়েছে যে না, এখানে কোনো যেমন ধাপ্পা করে কথা বলে অনেক জায়গায় অনেক রকম হয়, সেরকম কিছু হবে না। আমি সেটা বিশ্বাস করেছি বলে আমার মেয়েকেও এগিয়ে যেতে সাহায্য করেছি।
Thank you, ma'am. I guess she not know how to speak in English. No problem. I guess our audience can understand what you speak, and I request Sangeeta just little bit translate what your mother told.
She told that she never talked with Manpreet ma'am, but she listened to our phone calls, and even I also shared everything with my mom, that what she told and everything. But she trusted her a lot, Manpreet ma'am. Like my mother trusts Manpreet ma'am a lot, and I talked with her. She listened to every phone calls, and after hearing that, she believes that if I start my process with Manpreet ma'am, it will be more like, it will be very trustful, and I will get the result. So this is the main thing she told.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Like, and one more query, Sangeeta. You are from Calcutta. Like you always our under guidance, and we suggest you to take online classes from our side. So you feel the good quality while taking the online classes from our side?
Yes, I feel that it was very good. I already completed my B1 level through online from Germany.
While taking the online class
from Germany. First of all, I am from West Bengal. I got to know about career talks through Google. Like it's very, like no one can believe, but it's true. I found Manpreet ma'am through Google, and then somehow I found her number, and then I called, and then I talked with her. After that, I believe that I found a very trustful person, and I believe, I thought that if I start my process with her, then it will go very good, and it is now. And after that, I completed A1 and A2, and then because of the lockdown, ma'am told that don't waste your time, just start your B1 online language from Germany. Then I agreed with that, and after that I also started it, and I have already completed my B1 level, and I can say that it is a very good decision of my life, that I didn't waste any time. And the classes were very good. The teacher was a very amazing person. She is completely native German, and she speaks only in German with all of the students in our class. So I can say that it's better to start the classes online rather than wasting time. So I found it very good, and I will also.
And she got a very good score in B1 level, 89 out of 100. Yeah, seriously, on online class. And on one first attempt, she cleared the level. Mostly students are confused, Sangeeta, that is it easy to convert into German language while they don't know never they study from the basic. All complete 12 years they speak they speak English, and when they start learning German language, is it easy to convert into this language, or you face some difficulties in starting? Just help to our students that is it easy or not?
First of all, my native language is Bengali, and I can speak Hindi, English, Bengali, both of three languages, and I don't know anyone from who speaks Hindi from my state. But watching videos, listening to songs, everything, watching TV, I got to know about Hindi, and then I started to speak Hindi with friends, and I also made many friends. So I also started to prepare German in this same process. I started to watch movies in German language, listening to songs, some YouTube channels, everything I started to do. First of all, it was very troublesome for me, and after passing time, after getting knowledge about German language, I found it that it's not that much tough and that much difficult like how we thought. It's very easy language if you do the efforts, if you're ready to do the hard work that you will do to know the language, then you can do. If you don't want to do, then you can't do.
That is only motivation is required.
Yes, motivation is required. I studied 4 to 5 hours every day from for the language only. So from A1 to B1, and now I have already extended the time from 4 to 5 to 6 hours.
What's your 12th score, Sangeeta?
I got 98.16% in 12th.
So great. So she's one of the intelligent student. Good scores in 12th and also good scores in German language. And okay, one last query. She already faced the interview session with the embassy. So let me discuss a little bit to help the students to know that what is the exactly scenario in the embassies.
Okay, when I reached there in session, I already the career talks already trained me in this way that I can answer any questions. So it was very easy and very smoothly. I don't face any problem in the interview session in the visa office.
Thank you so much. I hope so, and you get the results soon regarding your visa. So we are feeling happy when we see our clients are happy. I guess what you expect, you get all the services, right? So we all try to give you best to best services till end. When you reach Germany, at any point at any level you face some problems, you can call us, you can message anytime. So dear all friends, dear all students, if you all want that we analyze your profile, we search and we can give you a best services, you want best service from our side, try to visit our office and try to take a free counseling sessions from us. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you Sangeeta, thank you ma'am, thank you all of you.